welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you're good. If it is your first time on my channel, welcome baby girl, welcome baby boy, welcome. It is so good to have you here. If you are part of the family members already, how you doing, baby? How you doing? Because I missed you. You missed me? Because I really missed your ass. I hope you miss me too. So today I am filming a vlog of the Nigerian Law School, Enugu campus. I actually did a vlog of the Abuja campus, but I lost my memory card. So that vlog was... So now I'm in Enugu campus for my bar 2. We're going back on Monday. When this vlog is up, I'm probably back in school anyway. So yeah. So I'm going back. So I wanted to go back. I want to go to law school today to drop off my bag. So I want to vlog it for you guys, show you guys what my room looks like, which is basically what the rooms look like, and the campus as a whole, and all that good stuff. So if you're planning to do law school in Nigeria and they're posted to Enugu State, at least you get to know what it is, what it's like, or what it looks like beforehand. Let's go check it out, guys. Come with me. Let's go. My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl, like MJ, rock my world. Most times no sweat. Me to you, give what we do and never forget. Now's the time, fall out of line and take your first step. Feet, pop, funk, huh. I smell hip hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye 2 turntables, spin a record so fly. Fly like an eagle or soar like a pigeon. Lay it on thick, could give you just a smidgen. A little devil do you, all you have to do is listen. Music be the movement, everybody on a mission. Most times no sweat. Me to you, give what we do and never forget. Now's the time, fall out of line and take your first step. Feet, pop, funk, huh. I smell hip hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye 2 turntables, spin a record so fly. Fly like an eagle or soar like a pigeon. Lay it. Okay guys, welcome to the hostel room. So my room is made for 5 people, is to accommodate 5 people. 2 bunk beds and 1 single bed. The bunk bed with the suitcase, it's my own. The bottom bed is mine. So this is a wardrobe. Let me show you guys. It's quite small because remember it's 5 people sharing it. But it's 2 of my roommates share this wardrobe. So Yeah. Yeah, it's very small. I'm not gonna lie. The room is small, the wardrobe is small, everything is just small. But you're there for a limited amount of time. So this is the wardrobe that I share with one of my other roommates. And then Kende puts her stuff. That's my roommate as well. She puts her suitcase on top of the wardrobe. So let me show you guys the bathroom. Yeah, so this bathroom and toilet, we have to share it with the other room. And there are 3 people in that room. So altogether, there are 8 people. 8 guys, 8 people sharing the bathroom, that room. And the toilet, which is this. Yeah, 8 people are sharing the bathroom and toilet. Luckily for me, I live with super clean people. So cleanliness is not really much of my problem. But yeah, as you guys can see, the room is very small. And we're in a pandemic. So this is what the outside looks like. The guys' hostel is the other side. I can't go that way. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you.
Could give you just a smidgen, a little devil do you. All you have to do is listen. Music be the movement, everybody on a